UNHO, the perfect of art and functionality. Designed by experienced master designers. First, show the incorrect way to open. Do not open, keep closed. Adjustable in length and angle. Only 4 screws are needed to fix it. The overall thickness of the bracket 5 cm. Easy to install, fixed with screws to ensure stability after installation. Extends 38 cm/1496 in. Why choose us? High quality carbon steel is selected. Swivel-free 0°. Compatible for 85-inch TV screens, sag angle 0.5% only. 55 to 100-inch TV use low-lying visuals designed for large TVs. The minimalist and luxurious design adds an elegant touch to the room. More scene recommendations. Other recommended styles.